Discover the joys of this mouth-watering dessert. Tres Leches cake. Perfect for when you're craving cake but short on time. Save this creamy delight. You'll impress everyone. Let's start with the sponge cake. You'll need flour, eggs, sugar, milk, baking powder, and butter. 1. Sift the flour with baking powder. 2. Warm butter and milk until the butter melts. 3. Beat eggs with sugar until fluffy. 4. Gradually mix in half the flour, then the milk mixture, then the rest of the flour and milk. 5. Pour the batter into a foil-lined ring and bake for 50-60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. For the cream mixture, you'll need sweetened condensed milk, and heavy cream. 1. Mix all ingredients. 2. Let the cake cool, poke holes, and pour the mixture over it. 3. Refrigerate if possible, for best results overnight. This simple yet tempting cake is creamy, moist, and incredibly tender. Add chocolate or whipped cream for extra flair. Enjoy every slice. Check the description for full details.